In this video, you're going to learn how to adjust the digital tensions, specifically the new digital tensions on the HCU2 model. Here we have a logo on the left, which has 5 different colors. We're going to click on the jump option. So here it gives us the tensions. Normally they come set up as 15, but if for some reason you happen to change it, you can go to this option to reset those numbers. By the way, this is available in all Happy Japan machines. It can be easily identified by these 2 little black rectangles. Once you press it, it returns the values back to the fabric. If we adjust the first color to embroider, for example, let's say it's number 5, we're changing it to 20. We pressed OK, and now we're going to embroider the first part of the design. In this case, we are setting it to 0, and we press Start. And as you can see, the tension has changed to 20 on the first color. The rest of the tensions are still on 15. Remember that we haven't adjusted them. We're going to wait until it finishes embroidering the first letter, which is the letter H. It finishes, and here is the tension number once again, and now it's changed to 15. This only affected the first tension, even though it is recommended to leave it around 15 and not modify it. Because in reality, if you apply constant maintenance to your machine, it will not be necessary to change the tensions. You can also use compressed air to avoid any accumulation of dust. If you follow these steps, you will have your machine clean and ready to work.